Meaning of ESA.
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 ESA. ESA stands for the European Space Agency, an intergovernmental organization dedicated to space exploration and scientific research. Established in 1975, it has 22 member states and works closely with NASA on a wide range of projects. Its main focus is on developing technologies to explore our solar system and beyond, as well as studying our planet and its environment from space. The agency is responsible for managing a number of key missions, including the Huygens probe that landed on Saturn's moon Titan, and the Rosetta spacecraft that orbited Comet 67P/Churyumov-Gerasimenko.